Hi there, I just want to show you the new Racon frame I've received today. Came in the post, took about 3 weeks to get here. Weren't sure whether it were going to arrive or not. It did eventually get here. Looks very nice. I'm going to set about stripping the other one down and installing the components into this one. I've got the brushless motor to put into it as well, and hopefully it shouldn't take too long to get it sorted. We can see what it looks like when it's finished. Just trying to make it so you can see. So there we have it. So first job is to take this little plate off here from there, like so. See that on the other side there. Take that off and then we start to install the servos. Right, I built this servo up ready, and you can see it's going to take the place of that one, like so. Just a case of fitting the little plastic screw retainer and that little piece there, little arm that fastens back on. It's fastened on here as well, obviously. So I'm going to fit that in place now, and then you'll be able to see. Okay, so that's one servo installed. Very fiddly job. I got there in the end. We can see that. Be careful, because these two little brackets, or whatever you want to call them, that one there, and this one from the other side, you see it? They're actually different. Don't make the mistake I've just tried to do and fit it onto this side, because it doesn't fit. Okay, I'm going to carry on now and install the others, and then we'll have another look. So we've got two servos fitted in now. We can see there. I'm trying to keep it focused for you. As I was saying, them two little brackets at the back are actually different, so don't try to fit them on the wrong side, because they'll not fit. Okay, get the back servo in now, and okay, so now we've got the three servos fitted. We took the little plates out, these little plates here. They've been removed from the three places where the servos are now, and obviously the servos now make up part of the frame to give it strength, hopefully. So there we have it. Now we're going to get round to putting the motor in now. So now we have it with the brushless motor installed. Pretty straightforward. straight into place. Just make sure everything lines up in a minute with the main shaft. Big gear on the bottom, but yeah, it looks okay. You can see it all right. Something to note here as well, that it does state in the instructions that the flat on the main shaft there needs to be extended. Can you see it? Hopefully. Needs to be extended by about 2 mil, just so that the gear fits on correctly. Okay, so there's the slot, and I've just made it 2 millimeters longer. You can see that. Okay, so the shaft's in. You can see that shaft's in and fits beautiful. Right, there it is. It's got its 3 servos in, it's got its board on, it's got a speed controller, etc. It's got a little motor under there, which is the oddest thing in the world to see now, but it's in there somewhere. And that's it. I'll give it a try. Make sure it works before I go any further. Okay, just going to run it up, make sure it works. Okay, that's good. Okay, I've got a tail boom on now, and the little stabiliser rods that came with the frame. Hope you can see that. Like so. Just got to wire the 120 tail motor up. And then we can give it a test run. Okay, this is the finished result with the new frame on board. You can see it there. I've just run a nice piece of wire back down. I'll try to make it look nice down the boom to feed the power to the rear motor. Just a bit of heat shrink. Just make makes it look a bit better. And that big piece of heat shrink there just helps if you need to change it without taking anything off, because it keeps it pretty rigid just out of way at servo. You can actually just get hold of the end of it just there. You can actually get hold of that and pull it straight out and it comes straight off. Okay, we'll see if it flies.